Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm going to show you how to master the art of making perfectly steamed rice. With just a few simple steps, you'll have fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time. The first step to making your perfectly steamed rice is to wash or rinse your long grain rice in the sink. Take a nice fine mesh strainer, put your rice in here, and we're going to rinse it under cool water. Rinsing it will remove any excess starch, which prevents it from being nice and fluffy. See how the water's coming out cloudy? We want that to run clear. This could take a few minutes. Okay, my water is running nice and clear. Tap out any excess water. And now I'm ready to cook. Okay, next step is to measure out your water. I'm using 1 cup of long grain rice, and for this particular rice, the ratio is 2 to 1. So 2 cups water to 1 part rice. When you measure out your water, and this is true for any liquid, you want to get down onto the same level as the markings on your liquid measuring cup and make sure that those lines match up. It's really hard to tell when you look top down, so always get down onto the level. So 2 cups water, 1 cup rice, and a pinch of salt. A nice heavy saucepan. I'm using stainless steel today. I like it for its even cooking and heat retention, so I'm not gonna get any hot spots. I'm gonna add in my water and my rice. Make sure that your rice is drained well after you rinse it, so you don't want to mess up that perfect ratio of 2 to 1. A little pinch of salt for some seasoning and some flavor. Give it a stir. And now we're going to bring this to a boil over high heat. My water is now boiling, so I'm going to set my timer for 8 minutes. All right, it's been 8 minutes and I have steam holes that are appearing in my rice. This indicates that my rice has mostly absorbed the water, and now I want to put my tight-fitting lid on and lower the heat to low. A tight-fitting lid will trap that steam and ensure you have even cooking with your rice. It's been 15 minutes. I now turn off my heat. Now I'm going to let this rest for 5 minutes to ensure that all of my rice has fully absorbed any remaining water. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm going to fluff my rice. Take a large fork and just take the tines and come in. This will separate the grains and ensure you get that nice fluffy texture. And there you have it. Perfectly steamed rice, ready to complement any meal. Enjoy.